Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you how to change the battery in one of these Mercedes keys. So the first thing you want to do is to release this little latch here, which allows the safety blade to come out of the key. So just use your nail if you've got long enough nails, otherwise you can get a flat blade screwdriver, will work well. So now once you have the key out, what you want to do is, I'm not sure if you can see that little grey lever in there. So it's just inside the key, and what we'll use is the safety blade to actually push that lever out. So what we're going to do is insert this blade straight into here, and when you do that, you'll see there's like a little seam now that's popped up there. So all you need to do is I just use my nail and you just pull straight out like that. So just keep in mind what orientation it came out, so you know to put it back in the same orientation. Now the battery is on the other side. This one's got two batteries, so you just slide them out just like this. And just like that, and there are two 2025s in this one. So just always be mindful of what's written on your battery, because a lot of the button batteries look exactly the same, so you've got to make sure you put the same thing. So even though your key looks the same, your key may have a different battery, and that's all. And then just change them out and put it all back together, and happy days. But I'll do that quickly for you guys now. So we're going to pop in the first one, pop in the second one, and then straight back in, just like that. And then sometimes it's a bit tight, so all you got to do is just like that, and that's it. Put in the safety blade back,